Welcome back to our channel, Question with Answer. If you're preparing for AWS interviews, you're in the right place. In this video, we bring you part 3 of the top 10 AWS interview questions and answers. These questions are curated to help you crack real-world interviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tech content. Question 1. What is the difference between AWS EBS and EFS? Answer. Amazon EBS or Elastic Block Store, and Amazon EFS or Elastic File System, are both storage services, but they serve different use cases. EBS provides block-level storage volumes for use with EC2 instances. It's suitable for databases, file systems, or any application requiring high-performance block storage. EBS volumes are tied to a specific availability zone, and they can only be attached to one EC2 instance at a time. On the other hand, EFS is a scalable file storage solution that can be mounted to multiple EC2 instances simultaneously across multiple availability zones. It's ideal for use cases where shared access to a file system is required, like content management systems or development environments. EBS is generally preferred for transactional workloads requiring high IOPS, while EFS suits scenarios that require scalable shared storage. Question 2. What is Amazon Aurora and how is it different from RDS? Answer. Amazon Aurora is a MySQL and PostgreSQL-compatible relational database engine offered by AWS. It is part of the Amazon RDS or Relational Database Service family but is designed to deliver higher performance and availability. Aurora is built for the cloud with a distributed, fault-tolerant, and self-healing storage system. Compared to standard RDS, Aurora provides up to 5x the throughput of MySQL and 3x the throughput of PostgreSQL, with the same hardware. It also automatically replicates 6 copies of your data across 3 availability zones to ensure durability and high availability. Aurora offers features such as auto-scaling, automatic failover, continuous backup to S3, and cross-region replication. While it is more expensive than standard RDS, the improved performance and resilience make it a popular choice for mission-critical applications. Question 3. How does AWS CloudFormation help with infrastructure management? Answer. AWS CloudFormation allows you to define and provision infrastructure as code using JSON or YAML templates. This helps automate and manage resources in a predictable and repeatable manner. By using CloudFormation, you can deploy entire infrastructure stacks, including EC2 instances, VPCs, RDS databases, and IAM roles, with a single template. One of the key advantages of CloudFormation is version control for infrastructure. You can store templates in source control systems like Git, enabling collaborative and auditable infrastructure changes. It also ensures consistency across environments, development, staging, production, by replicating the same stack. CloudFormation supports rollback in case of failure and enables parameterization for dynamic configuration. This reduces manual errors and boosts efficiency in DevOps workflows. Question 4. What are AWS landing zones? Answer. AWS landing zones are a set of automated configurations that help organizations set up secure, multi-account AWS environments based on AWS Best Practices. They provide a baseline with necessary controls for security, compliance, and governance when starting cloud adoption at scale. A landing zone typically includes multiple AWS accounts, such as for development, staging, and production, centralized logging, security monitoring, network design, like VPCs and subnets, and IAM configurations. AWS Control Tower is a service that simplifies the creation of landing zones. Using landing zones helps enterprises maintain standardization, improve security posture, and accelerate onboarding for multiple teams or departments. It's especially useful in large organizations with multiple AWS accounts and governance needs. Question 5. What is AWS Shield and how does it protect applications? Answer. AWS Shield is a managed DDoS or distributed denial of service protection service that safeguards applications running on AWS. It comes in two tiers, AWS Shield Standard and AWS Shield Advanced. Shield Standard provides automatic protection against common and most frequently observed DDoS attacks at no additional cost. It is always active and protects resources like CloudFront, Route 53, and ELB. Shield Advanced offers more comprehensive protection, including real-time attack visibility, advanced mitigation techniques, 24/7 access to the AWS DDoS Response Team, DRT, and cost protection against usage spikes during an attack. It is ideal for sensitive or mission-critical applications requiring stronger defense. AWS Shield works seamlessly with other AWS services, helping ensure application availability and uptime, even during sophisticated attack attempts. Question 6. What is the difference between AWS SNS and SQS? Answer. Amazon SNS or Simple Notification Service, and Amazon SQS or Simple Queue Service, are both messaging services offered by AWS, but they are used in different scenarios. SNS is a pub, sub or publish, subscribe, messaging service that enables message broadcasting to multiple subscribers. It supports multiple protocols like HTTPS, email, SMS, and AWS Lambda, making it ideal for real-time event notifications or broadcasting updates to multiple services or users simultaneously. On the other hand, SQS is a message queuing service designed for decoupling components of a distributed system. Messages are stored in queues and can be consumed by one receiver at a time, allowing for asynchronous processing and system resilience. While SNS is used for push-based messaging to multiple endpoints, SQS enables pull-based messaging where services pull the queue for new messages. They can be integrated together in fan-out scenarios, where SNS publishes a message to multiple SQS queues for parallel processing. Question 7. What is Amazon Route 53 and what are its key features? Answer. Amazon Route 53 is a highly available and scalable domain name system or DNS web service. It is designed to route user requests to endpoints in a reliable and cost-effective manner. Route 53 offers domain registration, DNS routing, and health checking all in one service. Key features of Route 53 include 1. DNS management. It resolves domain names to IP addresses using authoritative DNS servers. 2. Domain registration. You can register new domain names directly through AWS. 3. Traffic routing policies. It supports simple, weighted, latency-based, failover, and geolocation routing policies. 4. Health checks. Route 53 can monitor the health of your resources and redirect traffic away from unhealthy endpoints. 5. Integration. It works seamlessly with AWS services like ELB, CloudFront, and S3. Because it's globally distributed and built with high availability in mind, Route 53 ensures low-latency DNS responses and resilience against infrastructure failures. Question 8. What are AWS step functions and where are they used? Answer. AWS Step Functions is a serverless orchestration service that lets you coordinate multiple AWS services into serverless workflows using state machines. It helps developers build and update distributed applications with visual workflows that make the logic easy to understand and debug. Each workflow in Step Functions is composed of a series of steps, or states, which can perform tasks, make decisions, and handle errors. It is especially useful in managing application states and long-running processes like ETL pipelines, order processing, or microservices orchestration. Step Functions natively integrates with services like Lambda, EC2, ECS, SQS, DynamoDB, and more. It also provides retry logic and error handling, ensuring reliable execution without writing custom failure handling code. Developers benefit from better scalability, observability, and maintainability, making step functions ideal for complex workflows that require coordination across various components. Question 9. What is Amazon Elastic Beanstalk? Answer. Amazon Elastic Beanstalk is a platform as a service or PaaS offering that enables quick deployment and scaling of applications developed in languages like Java, .NET, PHP, Python, Ruby, Go, and Docker. It abstracts the underlying infrastructure, allowing developers to focus on code rather than server configuration. With Elastic Beanstalk, you simply upload your application, and it handles the rest, provisioning EC2 instances, load balancing, auto-scaling, and monitoring. It uses familiar services like EC2, ELB, RDS, and S3 under the hood, but provides a simplified management interface. Developers retain full control over the AWS resources provisioned, making it easy to customize or override configurations when needed. Elastic Beanstalk also integrates with CI/CD tools and supports application versioning for easy rollbacks and updates. It's an excellent choice for startups or teams looking for fast deployments with minimal ops overhead, without giving up visibility into infrastructure. Question 10. What is AWS Control Tower and why is it used? Answer. AWS Control Tower is a service that simplifies the setup and governance of a secure, multi-account AWS environment. It provides a prescriptive approach to create landing zones based on AWS best practices, making it easier for organizations to manage multiple accounts at scale. Control Tower automates account provisioning using AWS Service Catalog and AWS Organizations, sets up identity and access management via AWS SSO or IAM, and enforces guardrails, pre-configured policies to govern usage. These guardrails can be preventative, blocking non-compliant actions, or detective, monitoring for non-compliant behavior. It also provides a centralized dashboard to track account activity, security posture, and compliance status. Control Tower is ideal for enterprises adopting a multi-account strategy, as it reduces the complexity of manually setting up governance, security, and networking controls. In summary, AWS Control Tower helps organizations scale their cloud environments confidently, securely, and efficiently while ensuring consistency and compliance across all AWS accounts. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.